My ground report today, which comes from Chhattisgarh's Kanked district, where a converted family has claimed that a group of 30 people attacked them on Christmas Eve, insisting that they reconvert to Hinduism. The family says they converted decades ago and lived peacefully until the recent rise in the anti-conversion campaign. Tensions have grown after the incident, with several groups protesting against alleged forced conversions. The controversy has also sparked a wider debate about faith, coercion, and the safety of Christian communities, especially in Chhattisgarh's tribal belt. Sumi Rajappan has today's ground report.
This is one of the remotest villages of Kanked district, far from towns, administration and media glare. It is here that a lone converted family claims it was attacked on December 24th. According to the family, nearly 30 men from different groups reached the village, allegedly pressuring them to return to their former faith. When they refused, the situation escalated into threats and intimidation. The family says they converted decades ago, lived peacefully for years, and never faced opposition until now, when the larger conversion controversy reached their doorstep. Earlier, our team spoke to another family that converted nearly 25 years ago. They insist their decision was voluntary, driven by personal belief, not coercion.
लगभग ये 24 से 25 साल लगभग हो रहे हैं।
24 से 25 साल हो रहे हैं। क्यों आपने अपना मूल धर्म छोड़ दिया था और दूसरे धर्म में आप आए?
मेरे को वहाँ का जो शिक्षा, वहाँ के वो बातें, रहन सहन अच्छा लगा, इसलिए मैं इस एक को मैंने मानना शुरू किया।
But the recent Kanked incident reignited tensions. Sarva Samaj organizations alleged forced conversions and cultural erosion. In protest, they organized a bandh across parts of Chhattisgarh, demanding strict enforcement of anti-conversion laws.
निश्चित रूप से भारी प्रलोभन देकर और उनके घर तक, किचन तक घुस करके उनको कहीं स्वास्थ्य का लाभ देना, कहीं आर्थिक लाभ देना, कहीं और किसी प्रकार का कोई प्रलोभन दे करके और उनको मतांतरित कर रहे थे। और ये इसमें बिल्कुल रुकावट आनी चाहिए। सरकार निश्चित रूप से इसके ऊपर कोई ठोस कदम उठाएगी, क्योंकि सरकार भी इसके लिए संजीदा है, चिंतित है कि देश में एक अच्छा सौहार्दपूर्ण माहौल हो और आपस में सब भाईचारे से रहें।
Our reporter Gaurav Srivastav spoke to a pastor who has now returned to his former religion following the Kanked controversy.
पत्नी है, अपना जो बेटा है, उससे मैं सलाह मशवरा किया, तो मेरी पत्नी, मेरा बेटा बोला कि अब कोई आपको साथ नहीं दे रहे हैं, जो आपके साथ खड़े होंगे, बोले वो सब जब आपके सामने अब ये मुसीबत आया है, खड़ा नहीं है, तो क्यों ना हम जिस समाज में पहले रहते थे वहीं में हम मूल धर्म में वापस आकर उनके साथ हम जुड़ेंगे कि हमारा सुरक्षा हो सके।
From personal faith choices to allegations of coercion, from protests to violence in remote villages, the Kanked controversy reflects a deep and complex reality. As the administration says it is verifying facts and ensuring security, the December 24th attack raises a critical question. Can freedom of faith be exercised without fear in Chhattisgarh's tribal heartland? With Sumi Keval Patel in Chhattisgarh, Bureau Report, India Today.